Yes, villagers. Today we're going to be talking about 4 things to improve your health insurance. If you want to find out if your view is among the 4, you are in the right place. If you're new to this channel, welcome to our village. If you're a returning villager, welcome as well. So, let's get into it. Welcome to Garden of the Mind, where we reduce stress, improve our health and fitness, and improve our financial IQ every episode. We must believe more than we see. Health insurance, premiums, coverage, deductibles, all of those things are technical jargon inside the world of healthcare. However, these 4 things that you can do can help you to get better coverage and maybe even for cheaper. Tip number 1, your address. Do you know that based on where you live, your insurance changes? Just by your demographic, they have already predicted how long a person in your age group is going to live and what type of ailments have been associated with people just in this individual demographic. So with a simple address change, you might be able to be putting yourself into an automatically better situation. Now, I'm not telling you to be dishonest, but look into the definition of your legal address. You may be able to use a different address on your forms and still be within compliance in terms of what your legal address is. Check it out. Tip number 2, apply as a family. Families always get better coverage than individuals. The government, along with a lot of companies, like the idea of families because families means stability, family means more people. So when you have more people, there can be better discounts given for more in that particular situation. Just by applying as a family, you might be able to get better coverage than applying simply as an individual. Tip number 3, tobacco use. While tobacco use has been declining over the years, there are some people who still use tobacco regularly. If you match that demographic, then consider decreasing and maybe even stopping the use of tobacco. There also seems to be a lot of people who are now embracing cigar smoke. Cigar smoke is also tobacco. It may not be in the same way as cigarettes, however, it may be a risk factor as far as insurance companies are concerned. Now, marijuana has been legalized, but I'm not sure of what the ramifications are in terms of smoking on your health insurance, but I'm sure that probably plays a factor as well. Tip number 4, your medical history. Now, we all know that history cannot be changed. However, there are some things that you might be able to do to improve your present and your future. Some of those things are your BMI, which is your body mass index. You might be able to start exercising a little more to improve your numbers so that you can get better rates when it comes to your insurance. There are some other numbers that you might want to be cognizant of as well, like for example, your heart rate, your diabetes levels, your cholesterol levels. All of these things factor into what type of insurance that you are going to get and how much you're going to pay for it. Most people think that because they have health insurance at their job, they are not paying for it. But you are paying for it. You're paying for it in the form of your deductible. You're paying for it in terms of how much coverage they're going to allow you to have and the benefits that they are going to afford you. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you want to know when I post, which is Wednesday, click on that notification bell. You get that ding on your phone, and you know that a new video is waiting for you. And remember, thoughts are actions, words have power, and actions have consequences. I'll see you next week. I'll see you then.